Hey guys, this is the 20th video of this tutorial series on structured query language. In this video I will be discussing about the order by clause. That is, I will show you how sorting is done in the tables in SQL. Okay, so let's see the syntax for that. Now the syntax for sorting is select column name from table name, order by clause, then the field with respect to which we want to perform the sorting, and then we have to specify that the sorting will be done in ascending or descending order. For ascending order we have to write the keyword ASC, and for descending order we have to write the keyword DESC. Now if you don't specify any of the ascending or descending order, then the default order in which the sorting will be done is ascending order. Okay, so let's see how it works. So select star from the table, here is employee, and then the order by clause, and the field with respect to which I will perform the sorting is the salary. So salary, and then first of all I will not specify anything. Let the computer take the default order. Okay, so this was a default ascending order sorting that the computer took, as I didn't specify any particular order. So yes, it is sorted in the ascending order. Now let's see the descending order. I will just repeat the same thing and I will change the field here. I will take the age field and then I will specify that descending order. Okay, so our records have been sorted in the descending order as per the age field. So this was all about the order by clause and sorting in SQL. Now stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos of this series. Do subscribe to my channel, like the videos and share them. Thank you.